તો આ તરફ સંદેશ ન્યૂઝે WIIA ટ્રેનર સાથે પ્લેન ક્રેશ પર વાત કરી હતી। અજીત પવારના લિયર જેટ 45XR વિમાનમાં તેઓ સવાર હતા, ત્યારે આ વિમાન VSR વેન્ચર્સ પ્રાઇવેટ લિમિટેડ કંપનીનું હતું। આ કંપનીના માલિક VK સિંહ હોવાની માહિતી પ્રાપ્ત થઈ છે। લિયર જેટ 45XR હાઈ સ્પીડ સુપર લાઇટ બિઝનેસ જેટ છે। આ વિમાન તેની તેજ રફતાર માટે જાણીતું છે। આ મોડલ 1990ના દાયકામાં ડિઝાઇન કરવામાં આવ્યું છે। દુર્ઘટનાગ્રસ્ત વિમાનનો રજિસ્ટ્રેશન નંબર VTSSK વિમાનનું વજન આશરે 9752 કિલોગ્રામ જેટલું હતું।
महाराष्ट्र में आज बारामती खाते एक प्लेन क्रेश थयुं के जेमां महाराष्ट्रना डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर अजीत दादा पवारनुं पण निधन थयुं। साथे एमनो जे स्टाफ छे ए स्टाफमां पण जे 5 जना संकळायेला हता ए 5 ना मौत थई गया। विनय जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है संदेश न्यूज में आपका। और हम जो अभी कॉकपिट में बैठे हैं वो मॉडल क्या है, टेक्निकल जो खास करके स्पेसिफिकेशन है उसके बारे में बताइए।
जैसा पहले भी मैंने बताया, लियर जेट 24 और लियर जेट 45। लियर जेट 24 is the 1960 model. So this full avionics system is just you can see in your camera. Since this is the old model, all the instrument in the cockpit you can see here. These are the old model or the basic instruments are there.
Basic है।
You can see here there is no any digital instrument available in the cockpit. But if you are just going to differentiate with the new version of Lear Jet 45, all the avionics system are based on the digital, and the engine is equipped with the FIDEX system. Other than this, the autopilot system is installed in the 45XR. So I can say the 45XR version of the Lear Jet is more sophisticated, more fuel efficient aircraft in comparison with the Lear Jet 24. देखिए, अब तो ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद पता चलेगा कि रियल प्रॉब्लम क्या था वहाँ पे और लैंडिंग के टाइम में क्या प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों ने वहाँ देखा कि लैंडिंग के टाइम में एयरक्राफ्ट हवा में वो फ्लाई कर रहा था या डिस्टर्ब था कुछ। तो ये तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद पता ही चलेगा कि क्या दिक्कत थी उसमें। बट टेक्निकली तो अभी हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते जब तक उसके ब्लैक बॉक्स जो है वो रिकवर नहीं होते हैं। DGCA और AIB जो उनकी बॉडी है वो उसके इन्वेस्टिगेट नहीं करती है। Like as you know, black box is incorporated in all kind of aircraft.
कहाँ पे ब्लैक बॉक्स तो लगता है?
Normally in the 90% of the aircraft you will find the position of the black box in the tail section. So I will show you the position where it is installed here in the aircraft. In the same in the 45 also it is installed in that area. ऐसा एक फेल सेफ डिजाइन होता है एयरक्राफ्ट का जो इनकी मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी होती है। इसके all structure, all the systems are manufactured at least 25% on higher level. So it is not the issue of the weight, heavy weight or like that. You can see here there is a command here. You can see here it is the landing gear lever. So it is in the down position. So initially when the aircraft, all the aircraft is just get take off, then after this lever is just going to up. So all the 3 landing gear is retracted inside the wheel well areas, and just before the landing pilot just operated it and doing it in the lower down. So as this lever is just get it down, all the 3 landing gears are getting down and locked condition. It has about the length is about 17.9 or 19 feet something is there, and the seating capacity is more. Like here it is the 4 to 5 capacity seating capacity, but if you are talking about the Lear Jet 45XR, its seating capacity is about 8 to 9. But today, as we know, only 5 persons were present in the aircraft. 2 pilots were there, and the 3 persons with the Ajit Pawar sir, 1 PA and 1 assistant. I think they were present.
कैमरामैन दिलावर साथे पिनाक शुक्ल, संदेश न्यूज।